What is a contingency budget? Look, most people don't lose money in development because the market crashes. They lose money because something small goes wrong, a site surprise, and they haven't got the cash to handle it. A contingency budget is just a buffer. It's extra money you set aside for things that will go wrong, because in development they always do. It's not extra profit, it's your insurance policy for the unexpected. It might be unexpected rock during excavation, a builder's price hike mid-project, council asking for an extra report you didn't see coming, or a weather delay that pushes your timeline out by 6 weeks. None of these are unusual, they're normal. Let's take an example. Let's say your build is $400,000. You don't include a contingency because you want the deal to look good on paper. Then you hit rock during excavation. $15,000 you didn't plan for. If you've got contingency, it's annoying but manageable. If you don't, that's where people start scrambling, borrowing, or stopping the project. This is where people get caught out. They trim the contingency to make the numbers look better. And this is a big mistake. In real life, the contingency is what keeps you sleeping at night when things shift. So, quick recap. What is contingency budget? It's simply a buffer. It's usually a minimum of 5 or 10% of your build cost. It's not optional, not extra, but it's essential. Now, contingency covers the surprises, but there's another cost that doesn't wait for the problems. It runs every single day, whether things are going well or not. Next up, what are holding costs and why are they so important? Until next time, take care.